Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can earn money by watching videos. And this is not what you think it is, guys. So make sure you watch this video right to the end, and I'm going to actually show you a different method of how you can earn money. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, I've put in YouTube earn money watching videos. And as you can see, there are thousands of views on these videos, and you've got loads of different videos here. And they promise you an awful lot of money. Some of them like $347, $1,400. Yeah, there are loads different. If you look at this one here, Path Studio, okay, they're saying if you view 10 videos, you get $84, and 100 videos, you're going to get $847. Well, let's take a closer look at this video, because this is not what I'm going to be looking at, guys. So if you want something like this, then stay tuned right to the end, and I'll give you a site where you can go and earn cash just by watching YouTube videos. But what I'm going to be explaining very shortly is you're going to get paid to watch videos, and you're going to be able to then produce that and follow that up and actually make a full-time living as well. Build an actual business. So if you look at this video here, which is what we've just said, as you can see, guys, this is the same video. As you can see here, they obviously say get paid 800 plus for watching videos. Now, I went through the videos, and it just actually does a site called Casio. And Casio is all about completing surveys, playing games, top offers, that sort of thing. Yes, you have got the watch videos bit there as well, but you will actually only get a few cents per video, guys. You're not going to get $800. You might do eventually, but not very, very quickly. So if this is the sort of thing you want to do, is just obviously take surveys and watch videos, etc., then obviously, like I say, wait to the end of the video and I'll actually explain and give you a site where you can actually go and just purely watch videos and obviously get paid. But today we're going to be looking at something different for you, and like I say, I'm going to show you something where you can get paid $20 just for going through some videos, guys. And these videos are really simple. They only last about an hour in total, and then you'll get the $20 straight into your account. Okay, and that is the OLSP System Bootcamp. Now, this is brand new, guys. It's just been launched. Now, obviously, you have to be invited into this, so I'll give you an invite link in the description below here. And when I do, this will take you to this page here, okay? And this is my particular landing page. Put in your primary email address, and that means you'll be tied to me, and I'll actually be giving you and mentoring you through the system for free. So I'll also be giving you some extra training. I'll be on your, I'll be available to you, so you can message me directly and that sort of thing. So make sure you do that. Like I say, click on the link below, put in your primary email address, and we can start you on your journey. So once you've done that, you'll get directions to go and sign up for the OLSP. And when you do, obviously all these systems, all these units here will all be blocked off. You won't be able to access them at all. The only one you'll be able to access is the boot camp. And basically all you got to do is go through the training on the boot camp, which are just short videos. This is the longest video, which is the introduction, which basically tells you what you've got to go and do. And this is 30 minutes, and all the others are just a couple of minutes sort of long, really. They really are easy. So this is module 2. As you can see, I've been through all of these. That's just 10 minutes long. With a mega link, and all of this will become clear, guys. It is literally super simple, and basically you just follow the training, go through the training, and then when you've finished the training and completed it, in your commissions here, you will get $20 added directly to your commissions straight away, and that's all you have to do to get the $20. Okay, and then as you go through these videos, it explains about what these other units and that are all about, and as it explains them, it unlocks them for free. So once you go through and you've got your dashboard, you can actually see, it'll unlock your dashboard to begin with. And as you can see, this is where you get told how much earnings you've received. And as you can see, I've received nearly $450 already from this system, guys. You can also check out the leaderboard, and you can also check out your mega link. And this is all you have to do is share this link in order to earn even more commissions. And this is what I mean by putting in a little bit of effort. You are going to be able to build a solid business that really is probably one of the simplest business I've come across on the internet. It really is super simple, this system. You literally do just get people to come and join and click on your link, and then obviously again promote out that they can get a $20 just for actually going through some videos. And like I say, as you go through the videos, you'll open up more units here, and obviously you've got the whole of the training units, and there's loads more training units in here, guys. Absolutely lots of different stuff that actually shows you how you can go and build your business, how you can drive traffic to your business. So if you've got another online business, you want to know how to drive traffic and get traffic to it, this is super easy. Again, you can just follow this free training. It's not going to cost you a penny. Yes, there are bits of products and services that they do offer en route, but these will only just make your journey much quicker. So, but you don't have to buy them. You're not obliged to buy them. In some systems, you have to buy them in order to earn commissions. Well, you don't have to do that with the OLSP system. So if you don't mind a bit of hard work and you want to build a full-time income eventually online, then this is the way to go. Just click on the link below, go to this page here, which put in your primary email address. You'll be taken to another page which you just follow the steps with a video, and then sign up for the OLSP system, and then go through the boot camp. Probably take you about an hour in total. You'll get your $20, and then you can obviously start going through the rest of the system, and it will show you how you can then earn more commissions. Now, if this is not for you, I promised you I'd go and take you and show you a site which you can actually go and earn just a few cents per watching of a YouTube video, and I'm going to go and do that now. And this is a site called Hideout TV. Okay, and you just obviously you can download it to your mobile, or you can watch it online, whichever you prefer. And all you basically do is just go and actually watch videos and get paid. But like I say, this site is only going to get you a few cents, maybe $1 or so per video if you're lucky. Okay, so this is not something that you can build into a full-time income or even to a reasonable income every month. You will have to do other things as well. So I would recommend personally that you head over and click on the link to join the OLSP system rather than click on the Hideout TV. But of course, that decision is up to you. Hi, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, obviously give us a big thumbs up below. Make sure you share this video as well. And if you haven't already, make sure that you obviously subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to watch this video next. This will go more in depth into the OLSP system and everything that will open up for you, so you'll be able to see exactly what you get in that system as well. And remember, it's all free as well, so go and check that out today. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.